Lesson number 15, English to you, Mien. This is a fun lesson because by now you should just be starting to master the first 4 lines of the automaticity script. Line number 1, do you speak Mien? Mê hai cùng Mien waa như phai? Allow for response. Line number 2, oh good, I'm glad to hear that. Oh yao tiếng Ạ, ye an haih hai. Line number 3, that means you and I can talk. Wei nai, ye chao mei hai gong wa. Number 4, because I speak a little bit of Mien. Wei zu, ye hai gong Mien wa de ba. Okay, now we're on to our 5th line, lesson number 15. Probably some of you have had the experience if you've tried to learn another language, or even if you've just messed around with it, and you've greeted someone or said something very simple in their language, an introduction or a salutation, and they get all excited and they start talking a million miles an hour, and you have no idea what they're saying. Well, instead of being discouraged by this, you should be encouraged by it. That means you're getting it. So, the whole purpose of the automaticity script is to become automatic at these lines. These lines should be so ingrained in your brain that they come out so fluid and so easy that people think you speak the language. It happens all the time, believe me, if you practice it enough. So, in order to snap back to reality, you need this line. No, really, I only speak a little Mien. This is how it goes in Mien. Za'gengh nyei, ye kungx Mien wa de baac. Really, I only speak a little bit of Mien. Za'gengh nyei, ye kungx Mien wa de baac. Now you've got it. You can bring the conversation back to reality.
What?
Exactly! It's gonna be perfect.